Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the DJI FPV drone. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that helps you grow your YouTube channel quickly. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel, so definitely check out my link in the description below to get a free trial and to check it out for yourself. But let's get into the actual topic. So we're talking about the DJI FPV drone. So the DJI FPV drone is going to be a whole new category of drone for DJI. In the past, they've been focused on these basic quadcopters that, go slow for the most part and shoot cinematic video, cinematic photos. They've been like a really big photo and video company. And for a long time, FPVs weren't embraced by them as much. Then they created like an FPV like system that you could use to build your own FPV. So that's when they first started to dabble in it. But now they're creating a whole entire FPV drone that's gonna shoot cinematic 4K video. Like, this is crazy. I'm like super excited for this drone. And I'm definitely gonna be getting one because have you seen cinematic 4K FPV drone video? It is freaking amazing. It is like one of the coolest things I've ever seen. There's whole YouTube videos out there with millions of views that just show like the craziest things. And honestly, like a regular drone video isn't gonna get the attention that these FPV videos get because they're just so insane. I've even seen them be used in real estate, and wow, it is really cool. So let's talk about what we're looking at on my screen. So this article is a little bit older. It's from December 13th, 2020, but as you can see, I chose it because it shows you a leaked photo of the DJI FPV drone. As you can see here, there's a camera on the front toward the top because when an FPV drone flies, it tilts slightly forward. So it's positioned nicely up top there. We see these two what looks to be like obstacle avoidance sensors, but in a previous video, we talked about how they could be used for a 3D experience. So stay tuned, we'll find that out. But yeah, guys, that is a look at the DJI FPV drone. And it honestly looks really small and really cool. And I'm really, really excited to try it for myself whenever I can. Will I get one as soon as it comes out? Probably like shortly after it comes out, maybe not right away. I've had a lot of things that I've needed to purchase this year. So we'll see about that, but I'm definitely gonna have it at some point. So definitely subscribe to this channel because you will see videos from a DJI FPV drone here at some point in the future. I actually read I've got this horrible glare. Sorry guys, I changed my position. I didn't realize there was this horrible glare coming into my lens. But yeah, potential release date. I'm thinking that we're probably gonna see this drone in March. I read an article and I was trying to find it, but I can't. And it was on Drone XL, but now I can't find it. But the article had stated that there was like some kind of event planned for March for DJI. I believe that's what it said, something like that. So March is probably when this drone will be released. As you guys probably know, if you've been keeping track, we're probably gonna see the Mavic 3 this summer. So that's really exciting. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I think this year is gonna be filled with new drones, and we're just gonna have so much different things that we're gonna have to purchase that we're all gonna go broke on this stuff. No, I'm joking, but only purchase what you can. I know some people don't think that the Mavic 2 is even worth it because of its price, and honestly, it is more of a prosumer drone. That's why they have the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Minis for the consumers, but the prosumer market really likes the Mavic 2 Pro. So I'm thinking that it'll be the same for the Mavic 3, of course, and we're gonna have upgraded features, and it's probably gonna make the drone more expensive. So I get that it's not gonna be for everyone. It'll be interesting to see what this FPV drone is priced at. If I'm gonna make a price prediction, I would say $1,200 to $1,400 range. 1,400's really pushing it, I feel, but I think 1,200 to 1,300 is like a really fair price for that drone, especially if it's going to do what DJI claims that it's going to do, which is taking 4K cinematic FPV video. Oh, I just can't believe it. Like, I am so excited to get my hands on it. But anyway, guys, that is all for this video. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys are planning on getting this drone. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really curious to have a conversation. And if you like the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it'll help the channel rank higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.